Hi everyone, no network connection on your Leica mobile. In this video, we will show you how to fix it on both Android and iPhone. Let's get started. What caused Leica mobile no network connection for Android and iPhone error? Damaged or improperly inserted SIM card. Incorrect network settings, APN configurations, automatic network selection failure, outdated device software, network settings, misconfiguration. Fix 1. Turn off or on airplane mode. Turning airplane mode on and then off can reset network connections, helping to resolve issues with connectivity. Swipe down the quick settings, turn off airplane mode, wait for 2 seconds, then turn on airplane mode. Fix 2. Turn off or on your device. Turn off your device completely and then turn it back on. These simple steps can refresh system settings and resolve temporary glitches that may be affecting eSIM activation. For iOS, press and hold the power button until the slide to power off option appears. Slide it to turn off, wait 30 seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. For Android, press and hold the power button until the power off option appears. Select it, wait 30 seconds, and then press the power button again to restart. Fix 3. Check APN settings. Ensure that your access point name settings are correctly configured for Leica Mobile. For iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular Data Network, then go to Enable LTE switch. Toggle on Enable LTE. Now you can see the APN options under Cellular Data section. Add the iPhone APN details to the respective fields and leave the remaining as it is, then restart your phone. For Android, open Settings, then Connections or Network and Internet, then go to Mobile Networks, then Mobile Network and Internet, access point name, then go to three-dot menu in the top right. Add mentioned APN details to the respective field. Click on the three dot in the top right corner, then go to Save. Ensure that the new access point name is enabled and restart your Android device. APN details for iOS and Android. Name Leica Mobile, APN data.leicamobile.com. Username leave blank, password leave blank, MMS APN data.leicamobile.com. MMSC http leica.mms/mvno.com/mms/webenc. Manually select network providers. Sometimes issues with network coverage can affect voicemail functionality. Check your signal strength and try switching between automatic and manual network selection in your mobile network settings. Android manual network selection. Go to settings, then connections, then go to mobile networks, then go to network operators. Tap on network operators or a similar option to view available networks. Select the Leica mobile network from the list of available networks. iOS manual network selection. Go to settings, then cellular, then go to cellular data options, then go to network selections. Turn off automatic to enable manual network selection. Select the Leica mobile network from the list of available networks. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can often resolve connectivity issues. For iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then reset the network settings. For Android, go to Settings, then System, then go to Reset Options, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and then confirm. Fix 7. Reinsert and remove SIM. Ensure the SIM is properly aligned in both cases for a successful connection. To remove and reinsert the SIM card on iOS, power off your iPhone, use the SIM eject tool to open the tray, take out the SIM, then place it back in and push the tray securely. For Android, power off the device, use the eject tool to remove the SIM tray, take out the SIM card, reinsert it correctly, and push the tray back in. Switch among network modes. Changing the network mode can help improve connectivity in areas with weak signals, allowing your phone to connect to a more stable network type that supports calls and SMS. For iOS, tap on cellular, then select cellular data options, choose voice and data, and select a different network mode one by one, example 2G, 3G, or LTE or 4G. For Android, go to settings, tap on connections on network and internet, then select mobile networks, tap on network mode, and choose a different option one by one, example 2G, 3G, or LTE or 4G. Fix 8. Check for balance. If your balance is low or depleted, you can recharge immediately to restore service, preventing further disruption in communication.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.